Hey everyone, Kristen here at Ellie Enchanted Crafts, and today I'm going to take you along for a tutorial video on something that I have never done before. If you've been following my page, you know that I am in a group with some other crafters, and once a month we challenge each other to do a craft that we have never done before. So this month our theme is to recycle, reuse, or repurpose something that you would normally throw away. So a couple weeks ago I was talking to my sister-in-law, and she tells me how she makes candles for her friends out of like old pickle jars, old salsa jars, yogurt jars, whatever she has, and she gives them to them as gifts. Like, how great of an idea is that? So I figured that was the perfect thing for me to do for my upcycle challenge. So I reached out to the Scandinavian candle company, and they did gift me a candle starter kit that includes everything that you need to start making your own candles. So I'm going to unbox that for you shortly, and then we will make candles together. And they've also given me a special coupon code for my followers that I will link in my bio, that you guys can get a discount on your own candle kit and also make awesome gifts for your friends. Let's go. All right, let's get to unboxing this awesome candle starter kit from the Scandinavian Candle Company. When you open the box, you will find your instructions, and then there will be a set of labels and care warning stickers. And then you'll get a package with a thermometer, wicks, wick holders, and stir sticks. It also comes with 2 different scents to make your candles. You get 3 8-ounce bags of the soy wax flakes. You also get 6 gold-plated tins. There's 2 8-ounce, 2 6-ounce, and 2 4-ounce tins in your starter kit. And then you will also get the pouring pitcher that is a nice matte black with a wooden handle, just completely my style. All right, let's set up our tins with our wicks. Make sure that you use the thicker wicks for the 8-ounce tin, and then the smaller ones for the other 2 tins. Comes with these nice stickum dots where you can just stick your pre-tabbed wicks directly onto the tins, just like I'm showing here. And then you can try to get it in the center as much as possible. Now that we have the wicks in place, it comes with these 3 drilled sticks to, hold your wick in the center when you pull, or when you pour your wax. Okay, while our water is heating up, let's measure out our wax flakes into our pouring pitcher. You will need 1.5 bags of the wax to fill 3 of the tins. You will also need 1 full bottle or 1 ounce of the fragrance oil of your choice. So I eyeballed it and poured it in there, and then I figured that was probably like a really bad idea. And that if I'm working with something with precise measurements, I should probably have a precise measurement. So I got out my food scale, and we want 12 ounces of wax. So I'm gonna pour it back in. See how good my eyeballing did. This is soy wax for candles. If you need anything, just come get us. Ooh. Well, hey, I was pretty close. I was only sure that we have exactly our 12 ounces. Perfect. All right, let's put our wax into our water and let it start to melt. I will speed this up as much as I can for you because watching candle wax melt is about just as much fun as watching paint dry. So our wax is completely melted and we've about reached the temperature of 195. So I'm going to take it out and place it on my hot plate there, and we're going to cool it down to about 185, and then we're going to pour our fragrance oil in. Our wax has cooled down to about 185, so we are going to pour in our fragrance oil. I'm using the wood, sage, and sea salt scent, and it absolutely smells amazing. Okay, so I have been stirring for about 2 minutes. The wax has cooled down to about 155. They say ideal pouring temperature is 135, but you can see that the wax has started to get a little bit color back into it. You can see the fragrance is definitely mixed in. It smells very good. It's a very musky man scent. I don't know. Love it. So we will wait until we get down to the 135, which it seems to be cooling pretty quickly, which I thought it would take a little bit longer than it did. So we are at about 135. I'm going to take the thermometer out, and I'm going to pour my candles. Just finished pouring the wax. We're going to let them sit for at least 48 hours so they have their maximum scent potency. And we will trim the wicks and we're going to burn one. Alright, so it has been a full 48 hours since I made my first set of candles. They actually came out really good. They smell amazing, and they smell amazing while they're burning. And I'm just so proud of myself that I actually made my own candles. I did start my other set in these ones I made with that lime, basil, mandarin scent in my yogurt jar. I actually didn't quite have enough to fill this one. The yogurt jars and the mason jars for my challenge. And I'm actually going to get, I think, a real wick cutter because getting my scissors in here didn't really cut the wicks perfectly well like I would have wanted. But all in all, I think they came out great. I do highly recommend this starter kit here from the Scandinavian Candle Company. And you can find it on Amazon. I will have a link in my bio, and I will also have a link to a code where you can get 15% off your purchase. And those are limited, so if you want to get the candle starter kit and use my code, I would buy that as soon as possible before they run out. And happy candle making!